So it's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use this 430 NASDAQ trading strategy. Now, as you can see here on the screen, here is a trading plan of that strategy. So in every strategy that you use, there should be a trading plan. There should be a set of rules that you are applying in order for you to get in any trades or to get out of any trades, guys. So now here is the trading plan. Make sure you have a pen and a piece of paper. Then you copy these things that I'm going to go through. These are the things that you have to do before or during, whenever you are trading this strategy. These are the things that you have to do. The first thing is to go over to the 5-minute time frame. Strictly my 5-minute time frame. And the second thing is to look or find a 1430 candlestick on M5 5-minute time frame and draw a rectangle zone from the head to the toe of the candlestick. The second thing is to look or find a 1430 candlestick on 5-minute time frame and draw a rectangle zone from the head to the toe of the candlestick. I will show you later. Make sure you stick around and watch the whole video. For you now to get the whole thing of how to use this strategy, make sure you watch the full video. Guys, this strategy only works during New York session. It only works during New York session. And after number 3, after 1530, as you can see here, after 1530, price is mostly likely to come back and retest to the zone and move in the direction of the breakout, bullish or bearish. Let me go through this again. After 1530, price is mostly likely to come back and retest to the zone and move in the direction of the breakout, bullish or bearish. And for the rest of the day, price is mostly likely to move in the direction of the breakout for the whole day. Number 4, I made a mistake here. Instead of writing number 4, so instead I put number 3. So this works when used with market structure. If you are following the trend, then this strategy is mostly likely to work. Let me say 90% or 85% of this strategy only works when you are working it, when you pair it with market structure or the trend, if you are following the trend. Number 5, last but not least, please backtest this strategy first to make sure it works for you. Now, how are you going to find out that this strategy works for you or not? It's when you backtest. Take at least 100 trades in just for you to make sure that you find out whether this strategy works for you or not. And you have to get the percentage of how this strategy works. It can either work 80, 60 or 50%. That the result will come from you when you are backtesting the strategy. So now, guys, let's get to the charts so that I can show you how to apply this strategy in real market. So yeah, as you can see now, guys, we are on the chart of NASDAQ 100, as you can see. So now let me just quickly show you the first thing that we can do. Okay, the first thing that we can do is find the 1430 candlestick. Now, how are you going to find out the time? So you just quickly click here and then you find that, okay, this is the candlestick that we have at 1430, and so we draw a rectangle zone and we wait for a breakout. Now in this case, the breakout happened. The breakout must happen at 1530. So now 1530, the breakout happened to the upside. The breakout did happen to the upside, and then we wait for a pullback. Now we wait for a pullback, then after a pullback you buy. After a pullback to the zone, you buy. In this case, we bought, and then we aim for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or 1 to 1. That's up to you. You put your stop loss below the low of that candlestick. So now for the rest of the day, price will continue in that direction. As you can see here on the chart, price did continue in that direction. So price came back to the same zone and retest again in this case, and then we place our buy. We did place our buy, our second buy, and then price continue in our direction. Now that is the first example. Let's go to the second example. Now the second example is this. Here is the second example. Find the 1430 candlestick. We did find here it is it, and then draw a zone, a rectangle zone, and wait for what? For a breakout. A breakout did happen at 1530. 1530. Here is a breakout, guys. Here is a breakout. It did break to the downside. Now you wait for price to come back and retest to the zone, to that zone. Then after that, we did place a sell. We put our stop loss above this candlestick of 1430 to be safe. And then we target a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. As you can see here, that is what we got. That is the second example. Now let's look at the fourth example, at the third example. This is not a coincidence, guys. It is something that happens most of the time on the charts. If you just quickly go back, take your time and backtest this strategy, you will find out that whatever I'm doing here, it is what actually happens on NASDAQ at 1430 and 1530 during New York session. As you can see here, find the 1430 candlestick. We did find it is here. And we draw a zone. We draw a zone, a rectangle zone. And then we wait for a breakout. In this case, price did break to the downside. And we wait for what? For price to come back and retest that zone. Then after that, you place a sell. Then after placing a sell, you put your stop loss above that candlestick at the top of that candlestick. And then you target a 1 to 1, a 1 to 1, a 1 to 2, or 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, as you can see here. That is what we got here. We got a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. The breakout should happen at 1530, guys. In this case, the breakout did happen at 1530, guys. That is the breakout, as you can see here. So guys, those are the example, guys. I advise you to go through the charts and look for those examples on the charts, and also make sure that you backtest to make sure that this strategy works for you, because all these strategies that you see on the internet, they never work for everybody, because we don't know how to use them. It can work for me, but it can never work for you, because me, I know how to use it, and you end up not knowing how to use it. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you leave a like, share the video so that it can reach a larger audience. There are many people that need this kind of trading strategy for free, and the only thing that it can reach, if this video can reach them, is when you hit a like, you share, and you comment below where you don't understand on this strategy, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, guys.